Here's Nate. Jared's over here at the park. All right, so let me just show you what we've built so far. We have a jump. You can see this, I don't know. A jump to a rail. It's a log that we made into a rail. Nathaniel building up.
His name is Dale.
Jared.
His name is Jump. It's really clever. Because Dale rhymes with rail.
Go ahead, Nate.
Okay, Nate.
Watch out, move.
Yeah, I got you.
Go, Nate.
What are you going for? I don't know.
All right. So yeah,
Golf putt.
we'll get we'll take some video.
Looks so great.
Look at that shit.
Yo, we should go to that the hill in Oakview that ends in a thorn bush.
And I'm gonna be right behind him. The Pat's gonna go.
So Nathaniel, Incognitus, Pat, in that order, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not windy.
Bless you! Let's do this, boys!
Alright. Ready? Okay. Go. Ready?
Ah! Incog, check. Nate, or Ty, check. Nate needs help. Almost half check. Check minus.
Nate, you. Ready? Let's go. Oh! Shit! The best wipeouts ever! Oh, great. Oh, shit. Probably the greatest face plant I've ever witnessed.
Dude, did my board hit that right there? How do you feel right now, man? Are there boogers in my nose? Yeah.
Jared suiting up.
I already gave birth, which is why I'm in this position. Now I'm just gonna snowboard.
Alright, you good. I'm following you down. Jared, oh no.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Man,
Which way seemed easier?
they both seem equally fun.
He can't handle the largeness of my board.
Alright, we're heading back home. Heading back home. It's getting dark and windy. Good day. We're gonna come back in the morning, around noon, I guess. Come back
9
around
a.m., 9 a.m.
Come back and see how this stuff is.
Sunrise.
Stuck?
We'll be back. Bye.